the Dream Baldwin litter. Dream is a yellow Labrador, Baldwin is a black Labrador, and they had 2 black and 2 yellow puppies. She is also raising 2 Golden Retriever puppies from the Nelda litter.